I'm not interested in grinding my way up a corporate ladder. I want to grab a coffee with a girlfriend at 10 a.m. on a Tuesday. I want to go to a midday Pilates class. I want to go on a brand trip and explore the world. I want to get paid to exist. It is a Wednesday afternoon at 12 p.m. and I'm sitting here sipping my coffee and thinking, why doesn't everyone do this? And then I realized they're gatekeeping. Other creators are keeping this on lock so that you don't start doing this too. So I'm gonna tell you, and I promise you, do not keep watching if you do not want to change the trajectory of your life. Because this will change your life. It's changed mine, and it's changed so many others. And once I tell you what the creator success path is, you won't be able to unsee it. You will see it everywhere. So if you're an ambitious girly who wants to live your best life, have an abundance of cash and opportunities, and still be the soft life queen that you know that you're meant to be while building your creator business, get ready, because I'm gonna tell you the whole damn strategy. This is a series of videos not only teaching you how to become a content creator, but how you can become one of the top 12% of content creators that earn a living through it. Because the creator economy is worth $104 billion. And I'm gonna teach you how you can get a piece of that pie. So grab a plate, because we're gonna eat. And make sure that you grab the workbook if you are serious about becoming a full-time content creator. Okay, so we need a little more context and some introductions. I am Terri-Leigh. I am an ex-CEO turned content creator, and I used to be a corporate girly. I left my 9-to-5 to start my business, but realized that I traded in 9-to-5 for a 24/7. I thought that starting my own business would allow me to live my dream life. But instead of spending my time on the things that I loved about starting my own business, the creativity, the sense of agency, the curiosity, I ended up just managing a team, stuck in that 9-to-5 of actually running a business. And instead of being upset that I got home at 6 p.m. every night, I now was working throughout my evenings and sacrificing that time with my family, with my friends, and feeling really, really lost. I girl bossed a little too hard. And ultimately, I forgot why I started my business in the first place. To live a life of freedom on my own terms, to create abundance in my life, to unlock my full potential, to have deep fulfillment in my work, and to have creative agency, a sense of curiosity and adventure in what I do. And while I was stuck hustling away, burning myself out, I was seeing all of these other creators effortlessly stroll to success. Those that started after me. Those that would just launch a new business and make 6 figures. Those that actually lived life on their own terms. Those that were inspired by what they did every single day. You could see they were having fun and they were succeeding because of it. So I quit my business and accidentally stumbled across the creator business model. I let go of all of my employees, I let go of all of my clients, and now I had a lot of spare time. And I started researching these people that I aspired to be like and reverse engineering what they were doing, talking to them, understanding how they paved this new path to success, what they were doing, why they were doing. And when I saw the creator business model and really started to understand it, I couldn't unsee it. So I tried it for myself and it worked. I was able to make 10K in my creator business within the first month of launching, with no plan, no strategy, just throwing some things at the wall and seeing what stuck. And at first I thought it was luck, but then I realized it isn't. Creators are people just like you and I, with one key difference. They realize that being a content creator is the fastest way to manifest your dream life and future-proof all of your success. Why? Because content can enable you to reach new audiences for free, for you and your business. Content can build a loyal community of people that are genuinely interested in what you do. Content empowers you to evolve, to change, to grow, and to take people on the journey with you. And content can build empires. It is the new success path, the creator success path. A new business model and career path that universities and schools just can't keep up with because it's changing so fast. Because they can't teach it because they can't do it. And the only people that can teach you are those that are in the trenches, doing the work, taking the risks, paving that path for themselves. And as much as people want to doubt, it's here to stay. Big businesses, universities, institutions, they don't want you to know about it. They don't want you to find out how big this opportunity really is. Because if you do, you're not going to want to do business the regular way. You're not going to want to go to school, to university, and get a job just over broke so that you can hopefully buy a home. You won't want to fit the mold of what society expects you to be, what society needs you to be. And if you start questioning the way that the economy is run, what's going to happen? It breaks. But here's the truth. The old economy is already dead. And you and everyone that you know has an opportunity to win. Let me prove it to you. Everyone is running around saying that social media is dead. But I don't see that. Not in my business, not in my clients' businesses. If anything, we're back in like the 2017 social media boom. We're spending our downtime consuming social media content. And I read an article this week from the Business Insider that said that the only people that are posting consistently on social media are content creators and influencers. So what does that mean? It means that social media are the new media channels. In the old days, we used to watch TV, we used to go to the movies on the weekend, but people aren't looking at their TV screens anymore. They're looking at their phones. Social media is the new reality TV, and big business knows this, but they don't know how to become creators because they can't be creators. And there is a massive opportunity right now because you can become a content creator without having to pay for ads, without having to get creators to endorse you, without having to play the traditional game of business, but you need to tap into your CEO creator. And that is where the creator business model comes in. In the next video, I'll be sharing exactly what the creator success path is and how you can use it to catapult your content creation business too. So get ready. Your life is about to change for the better. I'll see you soon.